Mm.
Number 85 na po ako. Ay, number 80 na po ako. So, parang may adrenaline rush na po na
Yes.
nangyari nun. So, sabi ko po sa sarili ko, hala, baka lumampas pa ako ng 85, ganun. And, yun na nga po, sir. Nakarating na po ako ng 85. Hindi pa ako nang-stop doon. And, yun po, tuloy-tuloy lang po. Sabi ko, hala, anong number kaya ako mag-i-stop? Ganun.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nurses. My name is Chris. I'm from Nasha Business Consultancy Services, and with me today is Ms. Nicole Aquino Pabros, RN USRN from Pangasinan. We have assisted her with her NCLEX New York application process, and today she will share her journey of becoming a USRN. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, sir. How about you po?
Thank you for asking, ma'am. And of course, congratulations for passing the NCLEX, ma'am. And many of the nurses wanted to know what motivates you to take the NCLEX and become a USRN po.
What motivates me is are my parents po and my family. Sila po yung dahilan kung bakit ako nag-take po ng NCLEX.
Parang sobrang lalim po ng hugot natin, kasi napaiyak po kayo. Hindi naging madali yung journey ninyo, and yung naging reason and motivation mo to take the NCLEX is because of your family. Tama po ba?
Yes po, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Gusto ko lang po sila matulungan and mabalik po yung paghihirap, ang efforts po nila for me and my adding po. Yan po, sir.
Wow.
And gusto ko lang po na maiahon po sila dito sa Philippines po, sir. That's why I took the NCLEX po. And feeling ko po kasi mas maganda po talaga yung buhay sa ibang bansa compared to here.
Yeah. Hindi naman po ibig sabihin na iiwanan mo ang Pilipinas ay hindi mo na mahal ang Pilipinas.
Yes po, sir.
If you know it to yourself that nurses deserve more, then go for it. And you are now a USRN, ma'am. You passed the NCLEX. You are now one step closer to your American dream. Yun
Yes.
po kasi yung pinaka main ticket, no?
Yes.
And congratulations to that. We want to go back, ma'am, with your journey, no? You submitted your initial requirements pa lang to, yung assessment pa lang sa amin way back 2024.
Yes
So,
po.
can you share with us how's the journey? How does it work? Ano yung mga naging challenges po ninyo along the way?
Nung nag-submit po ako sa inyo, sir, ng mga requirements ko po, parang medyo buo na po yung loob ko noon na mag-exam sa NCLEX po. And parang habang tumatagal po, parang medyo dalawang isip po ako, sir, na ituloy yon. Kasi in the first place po, sir, hindi ko po kasi talaga pangarap na maging nurse. Ano po?
Okay.
Parang feel ko po yung dream po sa akin ng father ko po. Yan po, sir. Kaya I took bachelor's in science in nursing po to prove po sa father ko na ang pagiging isang pulis po talaga yung gusto ko pong maging paglaki. So yun po yung plano po sa akin ni Lord. Ito po yung pagiging nurse po. And somehow naman po natuto ko na pong mahalin tong profession po na ito, sir.
So it's all about serving pa rin, no? It's all
Yes.
about serving the people. Because
Yes.
being a policewoman at the same time nurse, it's all about serving the people. Yun lang. Yun lang nga, minsan may mga plano tayo na gusto nating maabot, pero yung Panginoon is may mas better pala siya na plan sa atin.
Yes.
And sa ngayon po, ma'am, USRN na po kayo, and I think worth it lahat ng mga naging sakripisyo ninyo at mga naging challenges ninyo previously.
Yes po, sir.
Yes po, ma'am. So, I wanna go back with your NCLEX preparation, ma'am. How does it work? Working po kayo, di ba? Habang nagre-review. So, how do you manage your time, and what makes you stay committed, no, to really focus on your exam preparation and review?
Yung time management ko po, sir, siguro po. Usually po kasi, since sa public hospital po ako nag-work before, parang yung time ko po to review is usually sa gabi lang po. Ganon. Mga 2 to 3 hours every day po yun, every night. Ganon po. Parang consistent po na pagre-review po yun, sir. Kahit concepts po, or makasagot lang po ako ng mga 50 to 80 plus na questions po. Ganon po, sir. Parang achievement na po yun sa akin kahit paunti-unti lang po. Tapos yun po, sir, nag-enroll din po ako sa isang review center, and yun po, sir, sila po yung nakatulong po sa akin na parang padali po yung pagre-review ko po for NCLEX po, sir.
Did you create a study guide knowing na working ka like 2 to 3 hours lang yung naibibigay mo sa review? Did you create a study guide?
Hindi na po, sir, kasi masyado na pong busy po nun sa work po.
And do you think yung advantage ba sa isang nurse na currently working ka at magte-take ka ng NCLEX because somehow you're familiar with the decision making, the critical thinking?
Yes po, malaking advantage po talaga yun, sir. Kasi parang mas napapadali po yung pagre-review, kasi since working ka po, parang may mga experience ka na rin po sa work na na-apply mo po doon sa NCLEX po mismo.
Wow. So ito na, during the examination day, ikaw lang yung nasa upuan mo sa testing center. How does it work? Anong number ka nag-stop? Ilang hours? How do you manage it?
Usually po, ang exam ko po kasi talaga, sir, is 12 noon po. Pero isabay na po ako dun sa friend ko na kasabay ko po na nag-take po, which is 7 a.m. po. So, luckily, pinag-exam naman na po agad ako doon sa One Triumph po, sir. And yun po, mga bandang 2 hours pass na po ng examination ko. Number 85 na po ako. Number 80 na po ako. So, parang may adrenaline rush na po na
Yes.
nangyari nun. So, sabi ko po sa sarili ko, hala, baka lumampas pa ako ng 85 ganun. And yun na nga po, sir, nakarating na po ako ng 85. Hindi po ako nag-stop doon. And yun po, tuloy-tuloy lang po. Sabi ko, hala, anong number kaya ako mag-i-stop? Ganun, sir. Pero yun po, inalala ko lang po yung sorry po, sir.
It's okay, ma'am.
Inalala ko lang po yung sabi po ng coach ko sa akin na okay lang na lumampas ka ng 85. Yun, kasi alam ni computer na lumalaban ka. Tapos yun po, sir, parang nawalan po ako ng tiwala sa sarili ko noon. Inalala ko lang po yung sinabi ni coach ko na kung wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo, hiramin mo yung tiwala ko sa'yo. Kaya, ayun po, hindi pa ako nawalan ng pag-asa na magsagot nun.
Wow. Did you pray for every questions na itatapon sa iyo?
Opo, sir. Parang each question po, humingi po ako ng guide kay Lord.
Mhm. And anong number po kayo nag-stop, ma'am?
150 po, sir.
150. Naubos mo talaga.
Opo, sir. Parang mga 3 hours po akong nagsagot po nun, sir. Parang hinalat ko po lahat ng time po doon hanggang hindi po naubos yung 5 hours.
And then you waited for about 2 days and a half for the result of the exam, right?
Yes po, sir.
And yung nalaman mo na pumasa ka ng NCLEX, USRN ka na, how does it feel?
Parang nasa cloud 9 po ako, sir. Hindi ko po ma-imagine na double license na po ako ngayon, sir.
Oh. You are licensed internationally. So moving forward, if you decide to go to Australia, if you decide to go to Canada, if you decide to go to the US, you are eligible to proceed po because you are now an NCLEX passer and your NCLEX result that is valid for life.
Yes po, sir.
And with all of these challenges, ma'am, and processes, yung waiting time natin, Nasha is there. No? Si Nasha is nandyan para tulungan ka no, sa lahat ng applications mo, getting your approval, reminding you, and motivating you to pass the NCLEX. Can you share with us how Nasha helps you with the process?
Thank you po, sir, sa pag-help po sa akin na mag-process po ng aking papers and requirements po. And masasabi ko, marerecommend ko po talaga kayo, si Nasha po, na sa processing po ng papers. Kasi po, sa help po ninyo, pinadali nyo po yung pag-a-apply po namin for NCLEX.
Wow.
Especially po, sa mga working po na may balak pong mag-take po ng NCLEX, sir.
Wow. Thank you so much for the appreciation, ma'am. And you naman talaga si Nasha, we want to partner with you in achieving your professional goal abroad. So after the NCLEX, there's another process. We still need to have the business screen, the license endorsement. So we're gonna go through to all of this licensure processing, and no worries, no, dito lang si Nasha para tulungan po kayo. Ang pinaka-importante ngayon is celebrate your success. You are now a USRN. At yan yung main ticket, no, para ma-hire po tayo ng employers. And there's a lot of employers that offer sponsorship and direct hire opportunity for nurses like you. Now, ma'am, with all this, experiences that you have, na ang reason mo is yung family mo, ang naging motivation mo is yung family mo. During the exam, parang nawalan ka na ng kumpiyansa sa sarili mo. You think na mag-stop ka ng 85 pero lumampas ka ng 85, naubos mo 150, And at the same time, currently working pa talaga kayo. What are your message and advices to other nurses na might be may the same situation sa'yo? Ano yung message and advices mo sa kanila?
Ang advice ko lang po sa kanila is wag po silang mawalan ng tiwala sa sarili po nila. And wag po silang matakot na mag-take risk po sa anumang decision po nila sa life po, sir. Kasi wala naman pong mawawala kung mag-take risk po sila, sir.
Wow. How about pagdating sa review materials, ma'am, pag-manage ng time nila if they're currently working? What are your message and advices to them?
If working po kayo as a nurse po, we all know that nurses po are meron po silang hectic na schedule po. Siguro po kung pagod po sila, wag po nilang ipilit na yung self po nila na mag-review. Parang kung kaya po or kung nandun po yung kanilang feeling po nila kaya po nilang mag-review today, they can naman po, sir.
Wow. So it's all about knowing your situation.
Yes.
Very important na hindi lang compliance yung pagre-review, because during the examination day, it's you and God ang sasagot doon sa mga questions na yun, no? So preparation po talaga is the key. No one will be ready to take the NCLEX, but with the right preparation, sabi mo kanina, you do Q-banks, you do the concept, you listen to the discussion, and as much as possible, may coach ka na magtuturo sa'yo. Talagang maaabot mo at maaabot mo yung mga pangarap mo, especially passing the NCLEX po.
Yes po, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your story. And we know a lot of nurses will be inspired to do the same. And your journey is really, really amazing and an inspiration to everyone. Maraming salamat po, ma'am.
Thank you din po, sir.